Could this retro-inspired keyboard and numpad combo actually be the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality? That's what we're here to find out. TISHLED has dropped a setup that looks like it walked straight out of a 1950s office, but packs some serious tech under the hood. Let's talk about the keyboard first. The typewriter style is undeniable, with those round keycaps and silver rings giving it a really unique aesthetic. It's not just about looks though. It features green mechanical switches, which offer that satisfying tactile bump and clicky sound that many typists and gamers crave. The actuation and reset points are apparently optimized for both gaming and typing, which is a big claim. Connectivity is where this thing really shines. It's tri-mode, meaning you get 4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5, and good old USB-C wired. You can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices, 4 GHz device, and 1 wired device, and switch between them with simple FN key combinations. It's also compatible with pretty much everything: Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. That's a lot of versatility. The keyboard also boasts an elegant warm white LED backlight with 7 different effects, which you can toggle on or off, and even adjust brightness and speed. Battery life is also a strong point, with a 3000 mAh battery promising up to 20 days of use with the lights off, thanks to a low-power chip and energy-saving tech that puts it into a shallow sleep mode after 2 minutes of inactivity. Now the numpad. It mirrors the tri-mode connectivity of the keyboard, supporting 4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5, and USB-C wired. It can connect to 2 Bluetooth devices, 4 GHz and 1 wired. While it shares the connectivity, the keys are different. These are described as linear membrane keys with a mechanical feel, offering medium resistance and fast response. They're also fully anti-ghosting, which is great for intensive number crunching or gaming. It's definitely geared towards office work, but the NKRO is a nice touch. Overall, the TISHLED tri-mode typewriter-style keyboard and numpad is a fascinating product. It successfully marries a striking retro design with robust modern features, especially in its connectivity options and battery life. If you're looking for a keyboard that stands out from the crowd and offers serious flexibility, this might just be it.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.